Are you tired of feeling stuck in a dead-end job? Are you constantly scrolling through Instagram, wondering how some people get paid to post pictures and travel the world? Do you have a passion for fashion, beauty, or fitness and want to turn your hobby into a career? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then becoming an Instagram influencer might be the perfect opportunity for you. As an Instagram influencer, you have the power to share your passions and interests with a large audience and make money doing it. You can earn a significant income by partnering with brands and promoting their products or services through sponsored posts and collaborations. But becoming an Instagram influencer is about more than just making money. It's about creating a personal brand and building a community of loyal followers who look up to you and value your opinion. It's about having the freedom to work on your terms, travel, and experience new things. So how do you become an Instagram influencer? First and foremost, you need to have a clear and cohesive aesthetic for your Instagram feed. This means finding a specific theme or style and sticking to it. You should also be consistent with your posting schedule and engage with your followers by responding to comments and DMs. Another key to success is to use relevant hashtags and collaborate with other influencers and brands. This will help you reach a wider audience and increase your visibility. But becoming an Instagram influencer is not all sunshine and rainbows. It requires hard work, dedication, and a thick skin. You will face rejection and criticism. And it's important to remember that only some collaborations or sponsored posts will be a success. It's important to stay true to yourself and your values, and to always be authentic and transparent with your followers. So if you have a passion for something and want to turn it into a career, don't let fear or self-doubt hold you back. Take the leap and become an Instagram influencer. The rewards, both financial and personal, may be worth it. Can you make money through Instagram? Yes, it is possible to make money as an Instagram influencer. There are a few ways you can earn income through your Instagram account. Sponsored posts. One way to make money as an influencer is through sponsored posts. Brands will pay you to promote their products or services by posting on your Instagram account. The rate for sponsored posts will vary depending on the size of your following and the level of engagement on your posts. Affiliate marketing. Another way to earn money is through affiliate marketing. You can earn a commission by promoting products from other brands and including an affiliate link in your Instagram bio or within your posts. You will make money when someone clicks on the link and makes a purchase. Check out our video on affiliate marketing to learn how to get started. Brand collaborations. You can also work with a brand to create content, such as sponsored posts or Instagram stories in exchange for payment. Sell your own products. If you have your own product line, you can use your Instagram account to promote and sell your products to your followers. Offer services. If you have a particular skill or talent, you can use your Instagram account to promote your services and book clients. It's important to remember that the amount of money you can make as an Instagram influencer will depend on a variety of factors, including the size of your audience, the engagement of your posts, and the demand for your content. The more popular and influential you are, the more opportunities and higher rates you may be able to negotiate with brands. Here are some key strategies to help you become a successful Instagram influencer and make money through your account. Choose your passionate domain. It's essential to find a specific area of focus and establish yourself as an expert in that niche. This will help you stand out and attract a targeted audience. Why is this important? Choosing a niche you are passionate about will make creating content more enjoyable and fulfilling. If you love what you do, it will show in your content, and your followers will be able to sense your enthusiasm. But choosing a niche you're passionate about also has practical benefits. It will make it easier for you to establish yourself as an expert in your field, as it will have a deep understanding and knowledge of your topic. This, in turn, will make it easier for you to grow your following and monetize your account. Most importantly, choosing a niche that you're passionate about will help you stand out in a crowded market. There are millions of Instagram influencers out there, and it can be tough to differentiate yourself. But if you are genuinely passionate about your niche, it will shine through in your content and make you unique. Consistency is key. You may have heard the phrase consistency is key, but what does this mean and why is it so important? Simply put, consistency refers to maintaining a regular posting schedule and having a cohesive aesthetic for your Instagram account. Why is this important? First and foremost, consistency helps you build a loyal following. When your followers know when to expect new content from you, they're more likely to engage with your posts and keep coming back for more. Consistency also helps you establish your brand and establish yourself as an expert in your niche. By consistently sharing quality content related to your area of focus, you can establish yourself as a go-to source of information and inspiration. But most importantly, consistency helps you monetize your Instagram account. Brands are more likely to work with influencers with a consistent posting schedule and a cohesive aesthetic, as this helps them reach their target audience more effectively. So, if you want to succeed as an Instagram influencer, consistency is absolutely crucial. It may require some extra time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. Know your target audience and engage. As an Instagram influencer, you have the opportunity to share your passions and interests with a large audience. But in order to be successful and make money through your account, it's important to know who your target audience is and how to engage with them effectively. Your target audience is the group of people who are most likely to be interested in your content and become loyal followers. It is essential to identify who this group is, as it will help you create content that resonates with them and grows your following. Here are a couple of key ways to engage with your target audience. Number 1. Respond to comments and DMs. Instagram is a social platform, so it's important to interact with your followers by responding to comments and DMs. This will help you build a loyal community and increase engagement on your posts. Number 2. Run polls and ask for feedback. Engage with your audience by running polls and asking for their opinions and feedback. This will not only help you create content that resonates with them, but it will also make them feel valued and included in the process. By knowing your target audience and effectively engaging with them, you can increase your chances of success as an Instagram influencer. So take the time to get to know your followers and build a strong community around your content. Use relevant hashtags. You may already know the importance of using hashtags to reach a wider audience and increase the visibility of your posts. But with millions of hashtags out there, how do you know which ones to use? The answer's simple. Use relevant hashtags. Relevant hashtags are hashtags that are related to your niche and target audience. By using relevant hashtags, you can reach a more targeted and engaged audience rather than just a random group of users. But how do you find relevant hashtags? One way is to research the hashtags that are commonly used within your niche. Look at the hashtags other influencers and brands use in your field and see which ones get the most engagement. You can also use hashtag research tools to find popular and relevant hashtags. These tools can help you identify hashtags that are related to your niche and have a high level of engagement. It's important to note that you should only use relevant hashtags in your posts. Using irrelevant hashtags in an attempt to reach a wider audience may result in lower engagement and could even get your account shadow banned. Collaborate with other influencers and brands. Collaborating with other influencers and brands can help you reach a new audience and increase your exposure. It's also a great way to build relationships within the industry. Why is this important? Collaborating with other influencers and brands can help you reach a new audience and increase your exposure. By partnering with other influencers, you can tap into their following and introduce your content to a new group of people. Collaborating with brands can also be a great way to monetize your account. Many brands are willing to pay influencers to promote their products or services through sponsored posts or collaborations. Collaborating with other influencers and brands can also help you build relationships within the industry of your niche, too. It's a great way to network and learn from others in your field. Be authentic and transparent. It's essential to be authentic and transparent with your followers. This means being honest about sponsored posts and disclosing any collaborations or partnerships. Your followers look up to you, value your opinion, and want to know that you are genuine and authentic. By being transparent about sponsored posts and disclosing any collaborations or partnerships, you show your followers that you are honest and trustworthy. But being authentic and transparent also has practical benefits. It can help you stand out in a crowded market and differentiate yourself from other influencers. By being genuine and authentic, you will attract a loyal and engaged following who value your content. Your followers will appreciate your honesty, and it will help you build a loyal and engaged community. Stay up to date. To stay relevant and successful, staying up to date with the latest trends and changes within your niche and the Instagram platform is important. By keeping abreast of the latest trends and changes in your field, you can create content that resonates with your audience and keeps them coming back for more. Staying up to date also helps you stand out in a crowded market. By being at the forefront of your field and sharing the latest information, you can establish yourself as a go-to source of information and inspiration. The Instagram platform and the influencer industry are constantly evolving, and it's crucial to adapt and stay current to stay competitive. To summarize, as an Instagram influencer, choosing a niche you're truly passionate about is crucial, as this will make creating content more enjoyable and fulfilling. It will also make it easier for you to establish yourself as an expert in your field and stand out in a crowded market. In order to be successful and grow your following, it's essential to know your target audience and effectively engage with them through comments, hashtags, collaborations, and by asking for their feedback. Using relevant hashtags will help you reach a targeted and engaged audience. Collaborating with other influencers and brands can help you gain a new audience, monetize your account, and build valuable relationships. Being authentic and transparent will help you build trust with your followers, and staying up to date with the latest trends and changes in your field and on the platform will help you create relevant and engaging content and stay relevant and successful. Following these strategies can increase your chances of becoming a successful Instagram influencer and monetizing your account. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the SideHustlr channel and give this video a like. This will let us know what content you want to see more of. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and check out this other video we think you might be interested in.